Hi, my name is Saria. I created this app called Shortcut app. You can create any link and make it as a shortcut. Now when you click on any of the buttons, it opens creating a shortcut screen, and you will enter the button name as something when you enter the URL of the button. It can be of YouTube. What URL? HTTP.
ఎందుకు ఏం చేస్తావా నువ్వు చెప్పి కట్టాలంటే నువ్వు వేరే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర చెప్పా నాకు చెప్తే నేను చేయ
And you will enter the name.
సురేష్ ఎక్కడికెళ్తే ఎక్కడికి కమిట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చినాడు ఇంకా ఆయన ఇచ్చిన కమిట్మెంట్ దానికి ఎవరు రావాలంటే నేను రావాలా.
And click on create. It will have a button called YouTube, and when you click on the button, a sign will come. It will say, are you leaving this app? And you will click on continue, and you will open the web page what link you have typed. And you can again click on the button. You can just enter the link of YouTube and YOUTUBE and open it. And you will just click on the button again. It will open the screen of this, and it will send you a message called, are you leaving this app? Do you want to open this website? You will just click on continue to open that website, the link which you have kept, and it will be opened. Then click on create again, go back, and you can create multiple buttons, and those are 5 buttons. And if you want to change it, you will just click on YouTube, you will click on go back, and you will just change the name and the link.